Ready to transform your Apple gift card into amazing Genshin Impact rewards? First, make sure your Apple gift card has been redeemed to your Apple ID balance if you haven't already. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your Apple account balance. This balance reflects the value of your redeemed Apple gift card. If you don't see the amount you expect, you may need to redeem your gift card. To do this, simply tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. Now, let's dive into Genshin Impact. Find the Genshin Impact app icon on your home screen and tap to launch the game. Once you're in the game, navigate to the in-game shop or the top-up section. Look for options to purchase Genesis crystals or other in-game items. Select the amount of Genesis crystals you want to buy. When you proceed to payment, your Apple account balance will automatically be used as the primary payment method. You may need to confirm the purchase with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Congratulations! You've successfully used your Apple gift card to enhance your Genshin Impact experience. Now go enjoy your new characters, weapons, and enhanced gameplay. Happy adventuring!